Papa, toy meeting pants. He's opening. Oops. Okay. What is this?
What's in there? What is it? What's that?
Lollipop.
That's a lollipop. Okay, put it there. A lollipop.
What's this?
What is it?
A color. What's that?
Yes, see?
What's this? A car.
Oh, a car. Oh, let's see. We gotta turn this way so I can see it. Oh, look at there, a miniature car. Oh, and a lollipop. What else you got? She's getting ready to go to bed, but I decided to let her open up her balls before she go to bed. What is that? Let's see. Let's see.
The popcorn.
Let me see. I can't see it. It's so little. Oh, what is that? Like a little duck. Yeah. What else you got in there? You got something else in there?
Red Nickelodeon.
Oh, red Nickelodeon.
Crayon.
You got a crayon. Let me see. Where your little crayon? Oh, y'all, look at this. This miniature stuff. It's so little. What you got over there?
Oh,
What is it? Huh? Let me see. Let me see what it is.
Let's open it first.
Let me see. I think it's supposed to stay in your box. Your little box for you, okay? Let's see what it is. What is that? I can't even see this little stuff. Monster truck. That's what that is. Wow. All your stuff. Did you like opening it up in your... Did you like opening it up?
I didn't open it.
You like opening it? You like opening it? You like opening your stuff? Okay. What you gonna say to everybody?
Bye.
Bye.